Hello everyone, welcome to BIMModel.com. In this video tutorial, we're going to see an interesting topic. You may not be used it. 99% I'm sure that you may not be used this option. And if you used it, let me know in the comment how do you used it, and if it is useful, also comment it and share it with your learning friends. With that, we're going to see that option of level. In level, there is an option which is called computation height. Have you ever used it? And this is one wonderful option. You can see that here in below ground level, and we have a 364 square feet is the area that we just calculated. This is how the building looks, and you can see that different shape, and the roof is different shape. And this option even works with when a wall is a sloped one. So you have a property in the level, there is a computation height which is 0 always when you drawing it. When this option will be used? So that's a question we will have. So you can see that we have a room, and both the areas are same. What happens when you have a roof which is covering this room, the other room like this? What happens? You can see that the square feet value is automatically calculating, and also you can see that where it is calculating. You can see that it's calculating from this place, the edge of this place, and it's calculating like this. And this is the base area which is calculating. This is the position from here to here, it's calculating. So let me take a snap and explain you, even though this works when you have a sloped wall. So let's say take a snap and like this. Now we have area from here. This is the position that we have here, this point and this point. Similarly on the other direction as well, if it is a sloped wall, sloped roof. So this is the point, it's calculating the area. But the actual fact is that if you see that we won't be able to use this area, a person cannot sit in this place, a person cannot walk in this place, or we may have an option to store some of the elements, but that also it's very limited space. In every country, there is a standard where from what height we can maintain the maintain that is a usable area which is on this floor plan, if it is a sloped wall, if it is a sloped roof that we have. So what is the area that we have, from which position we have to calculate the area. So for example, in countries like we are working with the project, one of the countries that Netherlands, where they are saying that from 1500 we will be able to calculate the area. So which means if it is, this is the 1500, and if it is crosses in this place and we have to draw a line, we have to omit this area that is not usable area as from our working plane. So we have to remove this area from our working plane. This will be very difficult when you are doing the AutoCAD drawings. This has to be calculated manually, but in Revit which is very much easy. So let's say in this case, I'm selecting the level. I can simply go ahead and say 1.5 meter and apply that. Automatically you can see that the room is reflecting the changes, and the area also affecting. The 192 is the 98 is the square feet is the value of this room as the area we are calculating. So it automatically reflects, no need to change anything. I hope this tutorial helped you to learn something today new, and we are making a series of tutorial about tools and tips, and the tools which is hiding here and there you won't be able to find. So do share it with your learning friends so that others also learn it. Do subscribe, and that is much more important. Don't watch and go ahead, you'll forget the learnings. Thank you so much. Bye bye.